everyone, so today was wash day and this is what my hair is looking like after I blow dried it. A lot of people ask me how I curl my hair because I do a lot of flexi rod takedown videos, but I really haven't done a flexi rod roll up video, if that makes any sense. How I actually roll up my flexi rods, and I actually don't do them like most people do their flexi rods. Most people, they roll it and then they twist the rod vertically, but me, I'm just so simple and carefree that I always roll mine up horizontal, which I'm going to show you in the video here. I'm actually just going to do 2 flexi rods in this video because I've done so many flexi rod takedown videos. I'll try to link the latest one up in the card, and I'll also link a playlist down in the description box so you can check out several of my flexi rod takedown videos. But basically, I just go ahead and get me some foam and wrap lotion. I like using the Cream of Nature with Argan oil. Make sure to put it on the top and bottom of your hair so that it's like very saturated, not too saturated, but very saturated enough. And you actually don't have to comb through. I just did it just this time. I don't know why, but I usually do not comb through after I've applied the foam and wrap lotion. So now I just take the ends of the hair and wrap it under and then just roll it up. I mean, it's just that simple, like seriously. Just put a slight bit of tension on it so that it can be like tight, and then twist both ends up to secure it. And I'm just going to show you one more time what I do. I get the foam and wrap lotion. I'm going to put some on the top as well as the bottom, and you also want to make sure to get it on the tips of your hair as well so the curl can be all the way uniform to the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and get my rod, wrap the ends around. I messed up a little bit on that one, that's okay. Wrap the ends around and then just wrap it on up. Wrap it up, wrap it up. Fold the left end, fold the right end. And like I said, I'm going to leave a playlist down below and also a video. Let me know what you guys think. How do you guys do your flexi rods? Thanks for watching.